Okay, please. If you're a black person, African, and if you're a white person, this message is rightly for you. There is something that has bothered me for so long a time, even before now. You see, the Western world, to be precise, I mean the Europeans, the Americans, the Asians, the well-known Asian, and the Australians, and every other Western world, they see Africa to be a negative place. There are people, they see us to be negative in every ramification, and they see nothing good about Africa. They see us as deplorable, they see us hungry, they see us very, very absurd. They see us to be center capital of diseases and all whatnot. This is the way they see Africa. The reason why I'm making this video is very simple. The much talk about fraudsters, Yahoo boys, 419 guys. Sometimes we have to sit and relax and think about every day the fraudsters are being blamed about defrauding someone. It is not a good thing. I am not giving it a go ahead, but I just want you to know, if you're a white guy or you're an African, you're listening to me, if you blame the fraudsters, you have to equally blame the victims. Yes, you see, some of their strategies, which you already know, it is spread all over. Everyone in the Western world is aware about their modus operandi, how they function. Sometimes they will tell you that your relatives had a fortune, kind of deposited some huge amount of money in their homeland there in Africa. And you and I know, I'm talking about you as a white guy from America, you know that you had no relatives that has left this shore, your shore, Europe or America, or have ever worked in Africa in any way, and they will cook up all these things to you and present you to come and claim a son that never exists. So sometimes why I'm saying this is that when we blame most of the fraudsters, we should now start realizing that the victims are also accomplices. They are also part of the fraud. What are they trying to do? They want to obtain by tricks. While doing that, they will be obtained by tricks. I don't know if I'm making sense. When you want to take something from somebody that does not belong to you, you will be swindled, you will be cheated, you will get very clear. So this is what you really need to know. You see, if Africans have never been defrauded in several ways, I want you to know that Africans, okay, the lifestyle is not good. We want a peaceful and a cohabitable place where everyone can live in peace and harmony. But if you look at what has happened over 1,000 years, let me say 500 years, the Africans has been swindled in pharmaceuticals. They have been swindled in spare parts, whichever spare parts, bogus parts from all over the world, heading their final destination is Africa. If you could remember last time, there is a wreckage, a kind of vessel that was already wrecked from Europe. They have no base to dismantle the vessel and melt the metals to usable substance. They took it to India. That was the place, and the rest was taken to Africa, where it is a biodegradable. It's not a perishable. It's something that you have to work on with chemicals, which is pollution and very, very dangerous for human health. But they took it to those environments to use people to test run and to have the labor done because probably they get it cheaper. So this is what they have been doing to people and to other continents. Africans have been swindled in agricultural products, in fashion, in food. Call it any kind of food, canned foods, all manner of foods, chemical products, in labor force. Africans on a daily basis are being defrauded. Let me use that word. They are being cheated on a daily basis per second. You feel me? I hope you feel me. Africans has always been defrauded or swindled in integration, in religion, in education, in chemical products, in mechanical products. Just to mention but a few, we cannot keep quiet, and every time we become a victim, even though there are also evidences that, okay, these people do this. Fraudsters are everywhere, the whole world. Every continent, every country has fraudsters. You get the point? So, but I don't want us to always, hold fraudsters 100% at fault. I also want us to recognize that the victim itself is also a member of a fraudulent act. This is what I have for you guys. This is the comedy page. We don't want fraudsters, we don't want Yahoo boys. We want a peaceful world, we want a peaceful for everyone. So this is what I have brought for you guys today. It is very simple. Time you are blaming the fraudster, at the same time you should blame the victim, because they are all working in hand. This is what I have got for you guys. Africans, be in peace, and also the Western world, let us all be in peace, because we want a common ground where we can live together peacefully without molestation of any kind. Peace unto you. I leave you here. I stop here. See you in the comment section. Goodbye.